Welcome back to Health Genius, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, consuming pills for skin protection. You might have heard about the benefits of topical sunscreens, but did you know there's a way to protect your skin by taking a pill? Let's explore what these skin protection pills are, their benefits, potential side effects, and what the latest research says about them. Sunscreens are essential for protecting our skin from harmful UV radiation. Traditionally, we've relied on lotions, creams, sprays, and gels. But now, there's a new player in the game: oral sunscreens. These are dietary supplements designed to boost your skin's defense against UV damage. So, what exactly are these supplements made of? Oral sunscreens often contain a mix of powerful antioxidants and natural extracts such as polypodium leucotomos extract, a fern extract known for its photoprotective properties, astaxanthin, an antioxidant found in algae and seafood, beta-carotene, an antioxidant that the body converts to vitamin A, lycopene, found in tomatoes, it helps protect skin cells, vitamin C and E, both known for their antioxidant properties. Oral sunscreens offer several potential benefits. Reduced sunburn risk. A 2015 study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that polypodium leucotomos extract could significantly reduce the severity of sunburn when taken regularly, improved skin health. Antioxidants in these supplements help neutralize free radicals, potentially reducing photoaging and the risk of skin cancer. Enhanced skin resilience. Regular use may bolster the skin's natural defenses against UV damage. While oral sunscreens sound promising, how do they stack up against traditional topical sunscreens? Effectiveness. Topical sunscreens provide a direct barrier against UV rays, while oral sunscreens offer indirect protection by boosting the skin's resilience. Controlled topical sunscreens allow for precise application, ensuring all exposed skin is covered. Oral sunscreens work systemically, offering less targeted protection. Immediate protection. Topical sunscreens work instantly, while oral sunscreens need to be taken consistently over time to build up effectiveness. Regulation. Topical sunscreens are heavily regulated and tested for safety and efficacy. Oral sunscreens, on the other hand, have limited scientific backing and are less regulated. It's important to be aware of the potential downsides. The FDA has issued warnings against relying solely on oral sunscreens for protection. These supplements cannot replace topical sunscreens and may not provide sufficient protection against sunburn or skin cancer. Always use a topical sunscreen for reliable protection. Research on oral sunscreens is still emerging. Some studies support their benefits, but more research is needed to fully understand their efficacy and safety. For now, they can be a supplementary measure, but not a replacement for traditional sunscreens. In conclusion, oral sunscreens can offer additional protection and benefits for your skin, but they should be used alongside, not instead of, topical sunscreens. Ensure you apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 whenever you're exposed to the sun, and consider oral supplements as an extra layer of defense. Stay safe, stay protected, and keep your skin healthy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health Genius for more health tips and wellness advice. See you in the next video.